Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the movements of the US stock market on Tuesday, December 3, 2024, and what traders and investors should anticipate for the next trading session. Whether you're holding positions, day trading, or just staying informed, this video is packed with actionable insights and key data points. If you're serious about navigating these markets, stick around, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for daily updates. Let's start with a high-level recap of today's session. The major indices showed a mixed performance. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 0.8%, driven by strong performances in the industrial and financial sectors. The S&P 500 added 0.5%, with gains in tech, energy, and consumer discretionary stocks balancing out some weakness in healthcare. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite edged down 0.3%, weighed by a pullback in semiconductor stocks after several major chipmakers issued cautious revenue forecasts for Q1 2025. Sector breakdown. Tech, Apple and Microsoft gained modestly, while Nvidia and AMD slid after a downgrade from a major analyst citing weaker-than-expected demand in AI-related hardware. Energy. Crude oil prices surged by 2% to close at $81.50 per barrel, boosting stocks like ExxonMobil and Chevron. Financials. The big banks, including JP Morgan and Bank of America, rallied on optimism around easing regulatory pressures and a flattening yield curve. So, what's driving the markets right now? There are a few major themes. Fed signals on rate policy. Earlier today, Federal Reserve Chair Powell reiterated the commitment to maintaining current interest rates for the near term, calming fears of additional hikes. This helped stabilize bond yields, which had spooked equity markets in previous sessions. Economic data. The latest ISM Services Index came in stronger than expected at 56.7, indicating robust growth in the service sector. However, the JOLTS job openings report showed a slight decline, suggesting the labor market might be cooling, something the Fed likely welcomes. Earnings updates. Although earnings season is winding down, Salesforce, which reports tomorrow, will be a key stock to watch as investors gauge the strength of enterprise software spending heading into 2025. Looking beyond the headline numbers, the market breadth tells an interesting story. On the NYSE, advancers outpaced decliners by a ratio of 3 to 2. Small caps in the Russell 2000 outperformed, gaining 1.2%, signaling a risk-on sentiment among traders. Unusual options activity today centered on Tesla, which saw a spike in call options volume after rumors emerged about a potential announcement regarding their next-generation EV platform. Now, let's turn to the outlook for the next trading session. Economic reports to watch. ADP Employment Report, a key indicator ahead of Friday's jobs data. Markets are expecting around 160,000 private sector jobs added in November. A lower number could fuel a rally, as it might signal the Fed's tightening cycle is truly over. Q3 productivity and costs. Revisions to these figures could impact inflation expectations and, by extension, the bond market. Technical levels. For the S&P 500, keep an eye on the 4,600 level, which acted as resistance today. A break above could pave the way for further gains. The Nasdaq has support at 14,800. If that level breaks, we could see accelerated selling pressure. Sectors to watch. Energy stocks may continue their upward momentum if crude oil prices hold above $80. Consumer discretionary stocks could see volatility if upcoming retail sales data disappoint. If you're an active trader, here are some strategies to consider. Stick to strong names. Focus on stocks showing relative strength, such as industrial leaders like Caterpillar and Deere. Use tight stops. With volatility picking up, protect your positions with tighter stop-loss levels to avoid being caught off guard. Stay nimble. The markets are moving fast, so be ready to adapt your strategy as new data comes in. That wraps up our breakdown of today's market action and our forecast for tomorrow. What are your thoughts? Are you bullish, bearish, or playing it safe in these markets? Drop your comments below. I'd love to hear your strategies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your trading community, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth market updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another market breakdown.